People, Mother Maine Homesteader here. Today is Monday, May 25th, 2020, and it's a beautiful day here in Northern Maine. Happy Memorial Day as well, because today is Memorial Day. So today's video is going to be about how to make your own laundry soap. Now, I actually started my laundry soap yesterday. So instead of showing you how to do it, I'm just going to tell you how to do it and show you the products that you need to do it. And I'll also give you a look-see at the finished product when we're done here. Okay, so making your own laundry soap. Why? Well, why not? It's not hard. It's fairly simple, and you save money. And the end product, is better than what you would buy out of the store. So some of the things that you're going to need to get out of the store to make your own laundry soap is just two things that you're going to need to buy. The rest of the stuff you have inside your house, I'm sure, and I'm sure everybody has hot water. This laundry soap recipe makes 10 gallons of laundry detergent. So, wow. And what do you need? Well, let's go over it right now. You're going to need a Zote bar. This is a 14-ounce bar. You're going to need a 14-ounce bar of Zote. They come in white or pink. Here's the pink version, and this is a 7-ounce bar. But you're going to need, if you only can find 7-ounce bars, then just get two 7-ounce bars to equal the one 14-ounce bar. Okay. For my batch that I made yesterday, I used my pink Zote bar. Another thing you're going to need is a box of borax. This is a 4-pound box. You can also find this in like Walmart, even the grocery stores have this, and this is 20 Mule Team Borax, and this is just adds whitening to the laundry, but you can do without it if you don't want to add that. And you can also use, if instead of the borax, you can use the Almond Hammer washing soda, not baking soda, washing soda. I seen that yesterday at Lowe's.com, so I know they have it there. Some places probably won't have that because it's not a common item, but you can probably find it online. The stuff that I got to make the soap, I bought all on Amazon, and I'll provide the links in the description below for the products. And another thing you're going to need from inside the house is a cheese grater. And you're going to use the largest side on your grater because you're going to take the Zote bar and you're going to grate your Zote bar into a 5-gallon bucket. And that's another thing you're going to need, a 5-gallon bucket that with a lid. You can get the gallon buckets at Lowe's or Home Depot, and they also carry the lids for their buckets as well. Pretty inexpensive. And you're also going to need a stir stick, and that's to stir the ingredients around. You can use a paint stick or a clean stick of some sorts to do that with. And you're also going to need some hot water and a gallon jug. And to start, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your Zote bar and you're going to grate your Zote bar over the 5-gallon bucket until it's completely grated and in your bucket. Then you're going to add 3 gallons of hot water from the tap. You don't need to boil it, just add 3 gallons of hot water and give it a good stir. And stir it up until all the flakes of your Zote bar is dissolved. Once you do that, you're going to let it sit for 24 hours. And after you let it sit for 24 hours, you're going to add 2 more gallons of water to the laundry mixture that you made the day before. And when you do that, before you add those gallons of water, it's going to be real gelatinous. It's going to be like a really, really thick gel consistency. So you're going to have to stir it up a little bit before you add your water. Once you add your 2 gallons of water, you're going to end up with 5 gallons of water inside your 5-gallon bucket. And you're going to add 1 cup of your borax cleaner. And this is the end product. When it's all said and done, you're going to give it a good stir. Once you add your borax cleaner, you're going to stir it for about 4 to 5 minutes until everything is incorporated and you don't no longer feel those flakes at the bottom of the barrel for your laundry detergent. So this is what your laundry detergent looks like when it's done. Okay. Looks just like this, and I already made 2 gallons of laundry soap, and I'll show you those. And you can see this is a concentrated mix, so you don't want to use it like this. And don't mind that stuff floating around, it's just from the stick. You don't want to use this double strength concentrate because it won't be good for your clothes. you're going to need to dilute it with gallon jugs, and I'll show you that right now. So I made 2 gallons so far, and this is 1 gallon. So what you're going to do is fill up half of this gallon with your solution that you made, and 8 cups equals 1/2 gallon. But since it's a slimy mix, I usually just add the 9 cups, and it comes out to be half a gallon. And then you're going to fill the rest with warm or hot water, and you're going to give it a nice shake. And every time you're going to use this laundry soap, you're going to shake it up because it does settle on the bottom. And 1 cup is good for a load of laundry. 1 load, 1 cup. And this is what it looks like. And I just wrote on the bottle, laundry soap, shake before use, 1 cup per load. Is 1. And here's 2 gallons. And this, like I said, this mixture makes 10 gallons of soap. Once you use this soap, you're probably never going to go back to buying laundry soap out of the store again. It gets out all the smelly odors, like BO, you know, like heavy BO from working outdoors, animal odors. It just takes out all kinds of odors, and it whitens your clothes big time. I use a little bit more than 1 cup of borax because I don't use bleach in my clothes, so I just added a little bit more of borax, like 1.5 cups to my solution, because I want my clothes to be really white. And that's it. That's all you need. You just let it cure for 24 hours once you add the 3 gallons. So let's do the recap. You grate your Zote bar inside your pail, your 5-gallon bucket, using a cheese grater, larger side. Okay. Then you add 3 gallons of hot water into the shredded Zote bar. Give it a good stir until the flakes are all dissolved. Cover it up and let it sit for 24 hours. Come back the next day. You add 2 more gallons of water, hot water, and then you're going to add your 1 cup of borax. Stir it up for 4 to 5 minutes until you don't feel the grain on the bottom of the bucket from the borax. And once that's done, you're ready to add it into your gallons. Like I said, 1/2 gallon of the laundry detergent mixture, 1/2 gallon of water, leaving a little bit of space on top so you can shake it up before use. 1 cup of the laundry detergent per load, and you're all set. And that's how you make your own laundry soap. It's not hard. It's not no rocket science. It works way better than the stuff that you buy in the store. And I urge you folks to go ahead and give it a try, because I guarantee you, once you go pink or white, you're never gonna go blue. Anyways, thanks for joining me for this video, folks. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now. And don't forget to click the little notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload something new. And also look for the links to the items that we used today in the description below. Peace out. Have a lovely, lovely Memorial Day. And be sure to stay safe whenever you go out and shop, if you have to. Goggles, mask, and gloves. Peace.